take 6. This is take 6 of episode 22. You feel what I'm saying? I did 6 takes because this has taken a very long amount of time. Why? Because this intro has just been taking me a long amount of time. You feel what I'm saying? It's just been a lot of stuff just popping off in between, and I just keep messing up. You feel what I'm saying? So really, episode 22, this is about doing something a little different. You feel what I'm saying? So we just gonna take you through my day, what I like to do. One of my favorite things to do is cut. So really, I'm just gonna add it in. You feel what I'm saying? We ain't gonna do nothing too special because we know we gotta talk about the trading, because trading is one of the best things in the world. You feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and talk about trading towards the end. But as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and start this day off. We're gonna go ahead and shoot to the shop. You feel me? And we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. And when I double back, then we can double back and get it cracking. You feel what I'm saying? But as of right now, let's go ahead and get this shit popping off with this first. Oh my God, not the first motherfucking. Not this. Yeah, I'm gonna start with it. You know? Hey, don't listen. I told them disconnect from these, but it don't matter. I hope you can hear it. I don't even know if you can hear it. Yeah. You know what it is. Yeah, you can pull up for a cut. We can double back and trade. You already know what that mean. Ayy, this ain't gonna be a long intro. Go ahead and get the cake. Ayy, double back. You already know what it is. Pulling up. Actually just got here or whatever. So about to go ahead and get it in. You feel me? And I'm gonna go ahead and show some of these little clips what I do. Yeah, we're gonna talk about some other stuff later, you feel me? So let's go ahead and get it cracking. Yeah. Something. Woo. You already know what it is. Yeah, you will. Hey. Yeah. No, I ain't no rapper. It's getting loud in this motherfucker though. Yeah. Money phone ringing, it ain't stop. Bad bitch want me to ass drop. Pull it up in the whip in the bass knock. Yeah. Turn around and get your bitch off. Bitch up FA guys on crisp cuts. Cut them up. After I fall, I'm getting up. Might as well say that I'm cutting up. Cutting them up. Do you really think I give a fuck? No, I'm out here trying to stack the bucks. Stack it up. You know I'm trying to get it up. Get it up. Might as well say I'm trying to run it up. I do both like I run laps. I heard people already doing crap. So that's all we got as of right now. I guess I ain't gonna sit here and film every single one that I do. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get the rest of the video cracking. So just like I promised you, you feel what I'm saying? I told you once that day was done, we was gonna get back to this trading joint. You feel me? Because that's one of the best things I do. You feel me? Now, as you can see, it's been some time. And as you can see, it's been a lot been accumulating over this time that we've been going from these videos. You feel what I'm saying? So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like these videos and want more. You feel me? Because that's what's all gonna be dropping is heat, and we're gonna keep coming with the heat each and every day until the motherfucking never go out. You feel me? So with that being said, again, we're gonna probably start doing that from now on. We just gonna go ahead and start adding those little a little mix up in the video, so it ain't all plain and boring. Add a little bit of this and that. Maybe if y'all ever want to learn how to cut or anything, just comment down below if you ever want to learn something from me, a little game or whatever. I give out some little tips or something. I ain't gonna really do no tutorials or anything, because that's not really what it's for. It's more for just showing like what I like to do for fun, what makes me happy. You feel me? So with that being said, it's another thing that makes me happy, and that's what makes it happy, and what makes it gives you the push to continue, you feel me, doing things that make you happy. You feel what I'm saying? So that's what it's all about. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this shit cracking. You feel what I'm saying? Enough talking being said. So as of right here, we do got my favorite pair pulled up in the Forex market, GBP USD, one of the best pairs in the market. Yes sir, yes ma'am, you already know what it is. With that being said, we are looking at this daily time frame. Again, it's been some time since I have been on here. With that being said, not on the trading market, but on YouTube, showing you guys this trading. Well, my chart, exactly. So With that being said, let's go ahead and get it cracking because I'm going ahead and examining myself because, I've still been doing it. So right here on the daily time frame, as you can see, it's still having that upper momentum. I did end up drawing this horizontal trend line, and it did kind of smack off of it. It broke through it one time, but it didn't really go too far. It came down, and right now it's really forming the upper half of this bottom candle, of this low candle. That being said, you really just gotta wait it out. I am still holding that trade from like week and a half ago, you feel me? So I am swinging this trade, if you consider it. I have been going through some stages. I could say if you are a swing trader, you are gonna go through the stages where you just see your money fluctuate, where it's going up really far and you like losing so much fucking money, and then it's down where you just close as hell to just back to where you entered at to get ready to go back down to your profit, or however you got your trade going, whether it's going up bullish or down in the bearish direction. You do feel that and it is a terrible feeling, but it's like, damn, I've been holding a trade so long, I might as well hold this motherfucker now, you feel what I'm saying? So you are gonna kind of go through that if you are considering about swing trading, or if you are a swing trader. That is one thing you have to deal with, and this is one thing that I'm starting to learn that I have to deal with, because I am not really a swing trader. I am an intraday trader, which means that I just kind of get out in a couple hours. Pretty sure the traders out there know that. Fresh new traders, yeah. You got the swing, you got the intraday, and you have the what's the last one? The scalpers, which get in and out pretty quick. But they still make their profit, obviously. But yeah, again, this is a demo account, so don't take it super serious. Again, I'm still building up to throw it in my live account, but as of right now, boom, demo account, still swinging it again. Still, I am in the negatives again, which is perfectly fine. I ain't gonna worry about it, because we did go down from all the way 150 negative. We are back all the way to negative, probably like $17-20. We were just at -7. No, I didn't take it out because, again, I was close to my entry level, and I'm like, damn, like right here around this area, that's like where I entered. So I'm really looking forward to go down to touch this minor trend line. That's what I'm wanting it to do. But it's still, like, again, in the consolidative state, where I would just have to really be patient to, much as of right now, I can't really just be sitting here getting in and out thinking I'm doing something, or just lose this trade, because, again, I don't want to lose this trade. I've been waiting 2 weeks for it. I just want it to go ahead and go in my direction. Now, if it doesn't and it breaks through this horizontal trend line I said right here, and or like if I was to set just a parallel trend line right here, if it breaks through and continue up, then okay, then whoop-de-doo, I'm gonna have to eventually get out the trade. But as of right now, if I can hold it and still pray and hope that for it to go down, I have my reasons for it to go down, and I'm gonna hold it and it's gonna go down. You feel what I'm saying? But other than that, the market's still gonna do what it want to do. So I ain't gonna hold it too long. If you do get all the way up there again, I am gonna get myself out, because I'm gonna be highly scared. Let's go ahead and zoom down to the 4-hour time frame. Also, throughout the week, I was taking, and also throughout this trade, I was taking Euro USD trades, as you can see, and it was pretty cool. I took this one, I took a sell, and it ended up touching the area that I wanted it to do. As you can see, I drew this Fibonacci right here, this big green rectangle. I drew it, and yeah, it took a little minute for it to start forming the direction, whether it wanted to break through and go up or down. But as of right now, yeah, I did say a while ago, yeah, it's gonna go down to retest, but as of right now, it's taking its time, so you can't rush the market. It's gonna do what it's gonna do, so all you can do is be patient. You feel what I'm saying? So as of right now, as you can see, again, I took this sell. I drew this horizontal trend line again, because in the lower time frames, you'll be able to see like 30-minute right here. It just kind of, it was bouncing off of the first and the second one, which is right here and right here. So I'm like, oh, maybe it has a possibility of just continuing to bounce off of it and not just bulging straight through down. And like I said, as you can see, it did continue to just kind of bounce on it pretty smoothly on down to the next one, which Again, I don't think it's gonna touch all the way right here right now or in the next hour or so. Probably in the next couple hours or so it should be down here, but as of right now, yeah, we just being patient. And I didn't get all of that capitalization, but I got, again, just a little bit of it, like $50, enough for me to get back in profit from like if you go back in my last video, like negative fucking 2,000 something dollars. Like I was down like heavy, but yeah, again, I'm back up to my original 3,000 of the demo trading account, back up to 3,000, but like 3,000 like $51. And then like if I complete this trade, then I'll probably be up an extra 100, hopefully. Not this trade, but my GBP USD trade. But again, you can see this, if I would have took this trade, just would have matched up right here, and it just would have been a beautiful trade. It would have been a nice capitalization, but again, I missed that. So I ain't gonna beat myself up about it, but I have noticed something. Mondays is a nice mover day for Euro USD. Something I didn't know that I just found out, which is something pretty good, you know what I'm saying? So maybe if somebody watched this one day and make it this far in the video, they take that and write it down, use it as a note or something. They might want to trade Euro USD one day and be like, you know, it actually moved that day pretty well. So that's just something helpful tip for you. As of right now, as you can see, I just zoomed all the way out. Well, my bad. I switched my pair back to GBP USD from Euro USD. I just switched it back. So as you can see, I just left the 5-minute time frame. That's why I looked at all clustered and fucking stupid and shit. But now we back at a 45-minute time frame. I zoomed it out a little bit so you can see what these candles are exactly doing. Again, I got in around this area over here. This is my entry level. It came down here a couple times. I guess it might have went in profit a couple times, and not really, because I mean, it could have. I just didn't take out. I didn't get out because it didn't. Obviously, I missed the fucking get out. So, as you can see, which is a terrible mistake. But as of right now, I still believe in the downtrend. So again, I'ma still hold it. Again, hopefully it doesn't cross this horizontal I have set up. Again, we can zoom out to the 4-hour with this horizontal one. Hopefully it doesn't bypass it and just fucking go up and negative $3,000 down the drain. No, hope not. Obviously I get out too early. I get out way earlier than that, but yeah, we just gonna hold it out and see if, you know, be patient, wait till Wednesday and see how the market decides to move. Today, going into Tuesday morning, obviously it's gonna move pretty good. Like, I'm not gonna even lie, it's gonna fucking move. And yeah, I just don't know what direction as of right now. It might just shoot up as of right now, because you can see these double tops right here at the bottom don't look very promising. So it might just get ready to shoot up. So yeah, we're just gonna be patient and see. But as of right now, we're gonna hold this fucking trade out, you feel me? Right here is a possible area that it might stop at, you feel me? So we're gonna wait it out again, you feel me? And that's really what we got for today. Ain't gonna really do too much. So yeah, I'll be back later on. Let's get it. Oh yeah, back at it again, you feel me? Like I said, we was gonna be back in a couple hours. We're back in a couple hours. So as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and get it back cracking. As of right now, when I left off with that last video, it was yesterday. We were about like around this area. The craziest thing in the world was, again, I should have got out all the way down here around this area due to the fact that I felt like it was it was basically at my entry point. And if I scroll all the way back down, all the way over here, let's zoom out a little bit. As you can see, this was the entry point, and it actually went further than my entry point. It actually was down into profit just a little bit, maybe a couple dollars, and I should have took it out, which I didn't. Again, just referring back from a couple hours ago. But either way go, I decided to get out. which was a bad mistake, I think, but it wasn't because it paid off at the end of the day. I was like negative 20 some, probably like $20, which is fine. All right, cool, because like I said, from Euro USD trades, it already had put me up in profit anyway, so it is what it is. But I did ended up getting out on this trade. I lost about $20, but I did ended up getting back in on a buy. So I ended up switching my position and boom, ended up shooting up to what I, referred back earlier in the video that, this horizontal trend line touched it one more time. I did not continue this to buy though. So I ended up just getting out. It basically just took me out as a take profit. And as you can see, it did go back down to retest to make sure that it wanted to go up one more time before it makes its next decision on whether it wants to go up or not. So again, I know you're like right here, boom. I was like, it's gonna touch like, oh yeah, see this that trend line, boy, that I was drawing up yesterday because I was extending them before I ended the video. So me just referring back, showing you, boom. So boom, shot through that motherfucker, you feel me? So it did what it wanted to do, but then it broke through again, so it's really questionable whether it wants to do what it wants to do. As you can see right now, I'm still in a 15-minute time frame, but it's creating a small little W, boom. Like that shit, it would be sweet if that motherfucker did that. But you already know, like the other day, not even the other day, a couple hours ago, I was just telling you, like I really believed in this sale. Like I really believed that it wanted to sell. Like let's zoom out to a higher time frame, like 4 hour. Like I really believed that it wanted to sell, that it wasn't gonna get through this horizontal trend line and break through enough to at least give enough momentum to break through. But man, I'm happy I got out and made that little profit. It put me back at on a demo account of $3,050, so we all good. But yeah, I just really believed in this sale right here, and it's still right there just to show I really believed in it, and it just disrespected me so many times. It looks like it's a sort of a consolidative state if we was to zoom it out to like a daily time frame or something. You can see it looks like it's kind of in a consolidative state. I'm really trading a consolidative state area right here. So again, I really can't even make too many moves because it hasn't even made fully its decision. So it's like, can't, maybe in the lower time frames I can, you could scalp or intraday in the lower time frames, but swinging, I still might want to swing that sell, man, because it still ain't make the bottom half of this candlestick, as you can see in the daily time frame. And it still looks like if it doesn't create enough momentum over this, then it don't even look like it might pass through. Now it might, but other than that motherfucker don't even look like it's gonna pass through. You feel me? So again, we back at playing a waiting game. Like I said last night at Monday mornings, Monday nights, Tuesday mornings, the market gonna move. You feel me? And GBP USD, one of my favorite pairs, also in Euro USD, my other somewhat becoming one of my favorite pairs. But yeah, like the motherfuckers gonna move, you feel me? Especially around that time. I don't know them times that they're gonna move, especially if you want to just trade them, so yeah. Again, like it ain't really much to be said. Like, shoot, we really just taking a look at it. And no, I'm not getting in on today. Today is technically Tuesday. It's gonna move, still, but that don't mean that I want to get in on the trade, you feel me? So I'm just gonna go ahead and let that motherfucker ride out, you feel me? And shit, let it do what it do. And yeah. Shoot, we can go ahead and scroll down to 30 minutes, check that motherfucker out, you feel me? See what that boy's still doing. And yeah, shit, all I can do is wait till tomorrow and see if it ever wanted to change that. See, it's breaking. It's breaking. You feel me? I might need to get on here and believing in my original one. You feel me? The Williams alligator starting to form that downward. It look like it's trying to, it want to go up, but it's trying to change its ways of the indicators right here. It's trying to do something a little different. I don't know. I might need to change. Cause look at that downtrend. None of these are higher than that. So look at that. Oh my God. It's looking a little vicious, you feel me? So again, we just gonna let that motherfucker sit and ride out for a little bit. I am gonna set an alert just to be confirmed that it do want to continue this trend. Whichever trend it is tied, will continue the downtrend because that's what it's doing. So as you can see, I put alert right here because it has smacked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all these times right here. So when it bypass it again, if it decides to just touch this horizontal trend line or break it, yeah, we'll go from there. From there, we'll just take a look at it. We ain't gonna even hop in it. You feel me? We're gonna take a look at it. We ain't gonna hop in it. But yeah, that's what we got as of right now for that GBP USD. We're just gonna chill, wait it out, and not do too much. You know, I don't want to jump in way too early. You feel me? So yeah, we're gonna wait it out. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Euro USD again one more time before we go ahead and wrap this video up. You feel me? So again, how I was telling you a couple hours ago in the video, you know, it was continuing bouncing down. No, I didn't believe I wanted it to again touch down here, but I feel like down here around this area, I said it was gonna touch it this time. I was obviously wrong, you can see, but it's cool though, because like I said, it's gonna take a little time, but it'll for sure retest and it's gonna come down. Like it's gonna be a major retest. So I guess whenever it moves on that Monday, boom, you know, it moves nicely, but then that Tuesday morning, you better be prepared because it's gonna reverse maybe, or it's gonna continue to move. So look, that's just something I could look forward to, you feel me? Something that I learned from, and something I could continue to learn from, you feel me? So I'm gonna take a look at this daily time frame to see what it really still wanted to do. And like I said, man, I don't want to miss too much of this trade due to the fact that, you know, it is getting tired of going up. So it is starting to form that lower formation. So you feel me? And that's just what it is for you, USD. We ain't gonna do too crazy. We ain't gonna go too wild on it because this ain't my favorite pair. Or, you know, I only traded on certain days really. So, you know, I like to be cautious with USD because I'm still learning it. You feel me? But 30 minutes, see it's breaking through right here. I don't really, it may go back up here to the entry level, but as of right now, I'm just gonna, hold it out and just, I'm not in the trade, but I'm just gonna, wait around and see what it's doing and make it direction or just like figure out which way it wants to go first before I just continue to, hop in on it or get in way too fucking early, you feel me, like I normally do. But other than that, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and wrap this session up and get ready for this next session later on today or tomorrow, you feel me? So hope you guys enjoyed the video, learned something. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you got some helpful tips or you need some helpful tips, or you can exchange some notes or whatever. Hey, you feel me? Don't be afraid to comment down below. Hope you guys have a good, amazing day. I'm gonna have my amazing day, and yeah, we'll tap back in later, you feel me? Let's get it.